being Mexican in the United States, it's not popular. Particularly being a Mexican in Texas is even less popular. In Texas and all of those border states, Mexicans are typically associated with illegal immigration, are associated with what they call the wetback. So the wetbacks that cross the rivers illegally and work on the agricultural industry illegally. And so it's a very bad connotation. Now, if you compare how Mexicans are seen in Canada, it doesn't have that connotation. We don't have a border with Mexico. You don't see that type of illegal immigration as they see that in the US. So it's a very different experience. Being Mexican, I'm proud of my heritage. I'm proud of the culture, the history, the way I was raised, the values that I was raised. So I am a proud Mexican.